Welcome back to our channel, car enthusiasts. Today, we embark on a fascinating journey back in time to explore the origins of the car industry. From humble beginnings to groundbreaking innovations, we'll delve into the remarkable story of how the automobile revolutionized transportation and shaped the modern world. So, buckle up and join us as we step into the time machine of automotive history. The late 19th century witnessed a pivotal moment in human history, as inventors and visionaries set out to conquer the challenge of personal transportation. In 1886, a German engineer named Karl Benz built the world's first practical automobile, the Benz patent motor wagon. This three-wheeled vehicle featured a single-cylinder internal combustion engine, a simple chassis, and a steering mechanism. With a top speed of about 10 miles per hour, it represented a remarkable leap forward in transportation technology. While Karl Benz's invention laid the foundation, other automotive pioneers joined the race to develop better and more accessible cars. One notable name was Henry Ford. In 1908, Ford introduced the Model T, a groundbreaking automobile that was not only affordable but also highly efficient to produce. Ford's innovative use of assembly line production methods revolutionized the manufacturing process, allowing cars to be produced faster and more cost-effectively. The Model T became a symbol of the emerging middle class, and Ford's vision of a car in every driveway began to take shape. As the car industry gained momentum, urban landscapes began to transform. Roads, once dominated by horses and carriages, now welcomed the era of automobiles. The need for infrastructure, such as highways and fuel stations, became apparent, triggering a series of societal changes. Entrepreneurs recognized the potential of catering to this growing industry. Gas stations emerged, providing fuel for the increasing number of vehicles, while auto repair shops and garages flourished. New jobs were created, and the car industry became a driving force for economic growth. Fascination with cars extended beyond practicality. People began to embrace the thrill of speed and competition. Automobile races became a popular form of entertainment, attracting enthusiastic crowds. Organizations like the Automobile Club of America were established, fostering a sense of community and camaraderie among car enthusiasts. Car manufacturers also recognized the power of marketing. They advertised their vehicles through various mediums, captivating potential buyers with promises of adventure, freedom, and luxury. These early advertising campaigns laid the groundwork for the immense influence that car culture would have on society in the decades to come. Fast forward to the present, and the car industry continues to evolve at a remarkable pace. Modern automobiles incorporate cutting-edge technologies, such as electric propulsion, autonomous driving, and advanced safety features. The boundaries of what was once thought possible are continually being pushed. The beginnings of the car industry laid the groundwork for a global revolution in transportation. From Karl Benz's pioneering invention to Henry Ford's visionary production methods, the automobile has transformed the way we live, work, and travel. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the beginnings of the car industry. We hope you enjoyed this dive into automotive history and gained a new appreciation for the incredible innovations that shape the world we live in today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay tuned for more exciting content on our channel. Until next time, keep exploring the roads ahead.